Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem from Module 4 vector space. So the question is, find the basis and dimension of the subspace W spanned by 1, 2, 3. Another vector is 2, 4, 6 and another one is 0, 1, 1. So first we observe our linear dependent. Means step 1 is this is solution. First, observe linear dependent. Linear dependent means if one vector is dependent on the other or not. If one vector is dependent on the other, it means it is linear dependent, otherwise it is linear independent. So we can clearly see that 2, 4, 6 equals to 2 times of 1, 2, 3. So the vector 2, 4, 6 is linear dependent and can be removed because it is not going any direction. So vector 2, 4, 6 is 6 is linearly dependent and can be removed. Why we remove this vector? Because this is not going any direction. Now checking our other vectors. Checking the remaining vector. So what are the remaining vector, which is 1, 2, 3 and 0, 1, 1. So 1, 2, 3 and 0, 1, 1. So these two vectors are not scalar multipliers of each other. So they are linearly independent. It means these two vectors are not scalar multiple of each other. So they are linearly independent. Now in the question it is asked about the basis and dimension. So now first we find the basis and then we find the dimension. So find the basis. So first we understand what is the meaning of basis. A basis is a linearly independent set that spans the space. It means a basis is a linearly independent set that spans the spaces. So what are the linearly independent vector, which is basis of W, which is equals to 1, 2, 3 and 0, 1, 1. Why these two vectors are linearly independent? Because they are not depending to each other and they are not going to any other direction. So now find the next one, which is dimension. So what is the meaning of dimension? Dimension is of a subspace equal to the number of vector in the basis. So dimension is nothing but the dimension of a subspace equals to the number of vectors in its basis. So what is the dimension of W, which is equals to 2? These are the two vectors which is belong to the basics. So we can clearly see that 2, 4, 1 is 2 times of 1, 2, 3. This is the linearly dependent, and 1, 2, 3 and 0, 1, 1 are the dependent vectors. So the dimension of W is equals to 2 and the basis is 1, 2, 3 and 0, 1, 1. So like this you have to solve in the examination. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.